MFD was not my goal, I think, in the beginning. I was a teacher for 14 years before I switched careers and did my MBA. The driving force was that, I found all around me that a lot of people were not aware of their, like how to invest, where to put their money. They would either like choose the simple way out or would sometimes even get duped. So I combined my passion for education with my passion for finance, and then I entered into through education, and then I ran into this fantastic product of mutual funds. I realized that in case if I really have to help people, then what I need to do is I need to have a product. I need to be armed by a product. And I started using the mutual funds, and that is when I started thinking of becoming a distributor. Challenges as a women advisor in the finance field during the time when I joined, that was way back in about 2000s. At that point of time, what was visible was that many women were not in this field.
Yeah.
It was very rare to find women in the finance, and that too in the advisory mode.
Yeah.
So the biggest challenge was to make the people understand that yes, I am qualified, I am proficient, I am competent enough to take care of your finances. Many times this question, like when we were talking to people, the reaction was like, what are you doing here? Like, who are you? How can you talk about finance? And this is so surprising. In a country where our grandmothers, our great-grandmothers, our mothers, they are the ones who are in charge of budgeting and taking care of the finance. I guess women are best placed to be in this profession that I am. Once you tell women that firstly, we live longer than men. So we are going to need money longer, even after our spouses have gone off. The second thing is that we earn less, still there is a pay parity problem. And the third thing is we are the caregivers in the family, so we take many times more breaks often. That we get lesser amount, we earn lesser, and we are not serious about our savings, we use it for our family, in the end we are left with nothing. So when I tell this to women that how important it is and where you might land up, especially in current times when there are more separations, there are widows around, they do understand. Anywhere in the society today, women are increasingly playing more and more important roles. They are shouldering more responsibilities. The role of women has got redefined. They always were important, but it is redefined today. So we are mothers, we are caregivers, we are still the earning members as well. We are supporting the family so many places. So as women MFDs, I think we play a very important part because we are the ones who are responsible for getting that awakening in the women, guide them properly. Even today, women are scared to ask the right questions because they do not know whom to ask. And more importantly, they don't know what is the right question to ask. So when I am a women MFD and I want to really promote awareness amongst the women, they feel comfortable talking to me. So that's a very big role that I am playing. And even for men, with our more empathy, women are more empathic, we are more focused, we are more disciplined. So even to men, we can actually give better solutions than possibly a male counterpart would. So very happy to, in fact I have seen over the years, there has been a lot of change in how women consider finance and how they are taking investing. So as these education, goes up in women as well as the society changes, today we get a lot of queries from women. They are very concerned about their children's, if they're married, about their children's higher education, about their own retirement. So, and they ask very pertinent questions. And as I said in the beginning, that women are sometimes actually more evolved in the thought process regarding money. So they ask very pertinent questions as to like, what is this product? What is the risk associated with it? So yes, over the years, there's been a lot of change in how women perceive money and how they perceive investments. So earlier, where they used to be investing only into gold or FDs, today they have started moving towards these mutual funds. So they are willing to do these SIPs. Mutual fund sahi hai kind of campaigns.
Okay.
And there is an increase in more ethical services to be given to the investors. So you find that because of this, there is an awareness and the people feel that yes, your money can be safe here as well. To all the women out there, go out and take charge. It is very important today to take charge of your finances on your own. In the recent times, it was all right to depend on your male family members to take this decision. But now it's time that we go out, educate ourselves, There are so many courses, online courses which are going on. Like you can sit at home and do that. You can listen to people. You can listen to podcasts. It's all easily available. Talk to people. So it's really important that we educate ourselves and take the right decisions.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.